Okay, today we are going to talk about the application of rational equations. Yesterday we looked at how to solve a rational equation. So today we're going to see where we could use this in real life. We are going to look at work problems today. The amount of work done is the product of the rate and the time spent doing the work. So the formula has three different versions and they're at the top of your sheet. Your sheet looks like the top of this one, but my examples are different. So let's get to going on some examples so you can see how to do this. And some of you may remember these from Math 2. This is a review of things in Math 2. Tommy can power wash a house in 11 hours. Scott can power wash the same house in 12 hours. If Tommy and Scott work together, how long would it take to power wash the house? So I can see Tommy, he can power wash one house in 11 hours. Scott can power wash one house in 12 hours, and together they can do one house in how many hours? That is what we don't know. So I'm going to put 1 over 11 plus 1 over 12, Tommy's time, Scott's time, and then we want to know if they work together, how long would it take them to do that? So yesterday we could see that we need to get a common denominator. My common denominator is going to be 132x. And I'm just going to put that over there on the side so I can remember that. In this first term, I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 12x. The second term, I need to multiply them by 11x. And then the last one, I already have an x, so 132. When I combine my like terms, 23x is equal to 132. So x is going to be equal to, what is that? 132 divided by 23. Sorry, that's tomorrow's. 5.739. So 5.74, which is 5 hours. And if you don't understand this at this point, you can say 0.74 times there's 60 minutes in 1 hour, and you're going to get 44.347. So 5 hours and 44 minutes. Right? So that's working together. Now let's look at an example of another type of example, a work example. Tim and Ashley can buff the floor in 5 hours. So we know that together it takes them 5 hours. If Tim works alone, it takes him 8 hours. So Tim can do one floor in 8 hours. How long would it take Ashley if she worked alone? That is my variable that I don't know at this point. So Tim is one floor in 8 hours. Ashley, one floor in how many hours? We're not sure. And together, it's going to take them 5 hours. So my common denominator is going to be 40x. I need to multiply the first one by 5x. The second term by 40. I already have the x down there. And the last one, 8x. Combine my like terms. And 40 over 3 is going to be equal to x. So 40 divided by 3 is 13.33, or 13 1/3. So it's going to take Ashley 13 hours and 20 minutes. And this is talking about time. Some things you may just have to leave as a decimal. Okay, if we're talking about days, I think you have one on your sheet where it's talking about days and just leave that as a decimal. I hope you understand this and this helps, and I will talk with you soon. Have a great day.